One of the hardest decisions made in life is to choose which bridge to burn and which bridge to cross. No matter how much you revisit the past, there is nothing new there to see at some point. You just have to let go of what you thought should happen and live in what is happening. Just in case no one has told you today, you are amazing, have a really great today. Only people who are not happy with themselves are mean to others. Remember that. Go laugh in the places you have cried. Change the narrative. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. Some people create their own storms and then get mad when it rains. Be grateful for every second of every day that you get to spend with the people you love. Life is so very precious. It's okay if you make a mistake. We all do. Just don't let those mistakes define you. If we could spread love as quickly as spread hate and negativity, what an amazing world we would live in. If speaking kindly to plants can help them grow, imagine that speaking kindly to humans can too. No one is coming to save this life is 100% your responsibility.